Some changes were made to the air cannon for today. The old aluminum tank I've removed because it only was set up to use a 3/4 inch ball valve. The new air tank is made from an old CO2 fire extinguisher, and it's set up to use a 1-inch ball valve to improve my airflow. Here's another view of the new tank and valve setup. Also mounted today is the new 25mm barrel, which is now 96 inches long, giving about an 80 to 100 feet per second velocity increase due to the increase in barrel length. Target is that decorative apple that's still hanging around from another video, and right now the 25mm barrel is loaded with about 3 inches of popcorn kernels between a front and rear cardboard wad. We'll see what this does to that foam apple. 25mm 96-inch barrel loaded with about 3 inches of popcorn. Firing will be at 350 psi. Fire. The popcorn spread out a lot, as we can see from the impact marks on the backstop around the apple target. This time the 25mm barrel is loaded with large stale white mints. 25mm 96-inch long barrel loaded with white mints. Firing at 350 psi at the apple decoration. And fire. Now, as we can see, the mints spread out and made some holes in the backstop. This time we'll try popcorn loosely packed in a Ziploc bag. 25mm 96-inch long barrel, popcorn in a small Ziploc bag, firing at 350 psi. Fire.